Hi, I am Pranesh Raj, a senior UI/UX designer and trainer. Today we are going to explore the Spline interface. This is the interface of Spline. So in this first we are going to see about home, my files, template, AI generation 3D interface, shared with me, community, tutorial and inbox. So we can able to join with our Discord as well as you can follow the Instagram for more update from Spline. So that will be helpful for your future reference. So here we will be seeing about AI 3D generation. For this we have to upgrade our Spline. So it will be in $30 nearly. So you have to update and you have to work on. So in this create we'll be having two things. One is 3D design, another one is 2D design. So in this two major thing is 3D. So because Spline is nothing from, it has been drawn from Maya and Blender. So now I am just opening 3D interface. So this is how the 3D comes in. So here we can able to create our own sections. So now we have two panels. One is orthographic, another one is perspective. So today we will be seeing this one. So we having 3D interface. Now this is the panel, right? So we are able to see multiple box structure. So what is this? This is called panel. That is called 3D panel. So by pressing Alt in your keyboard, just move your mouse, you can able to rotate in 360 degree and you can able to see our designed object. So orthographic and perspective. So we have to design in orthographic and we have to view in perspective mode. Okay. So first orthographics. So first thing will be go with cube. I just click the cube and I have placed in the panel. Okay, this is now the cube. So in this cube we are able to see 3 dimension, that is called 3D. Okay, so x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Just now I have moved 3 lines, so that means it's an axis. You can able to move on each directions. We are having one arc structure called rotation. We can able to rotate in any degree. In x-axis, in y-axis, in z-axis, any degree we can able to rotate. Just zoom in. We are able to see 1, 2, 3 knob. What is that knob? Knob is nothing but it's an enlarger. So you can able to enlarge the size of the each sides. So just the thing, the cube will have 6 sides, right? So in this 6 side you can able to enlarge it. So for an example I am telling, by designing this cube, we can able to structure like a keyboard key. So for A to Z or arrows, Control, Shift, Enter, you can able to design each and everything by writing something on the top layer. Okay, now I am just showing in 3D. So it's a 360 degree view. Like this way we are able to have sphere too. So this is how the sphere look like. Okay. So this is called Spline interface. Now I'll explain you about community, template and tutorial. Community is nothing but like you, some of the designers will be design some of the 3D interface or 3D panels and they will be published in their own site. So that site will be come to community, you can able to reuse it. That means you can able to remix it. For an example, I am just doing for this iPhone 16 Pro Max mockup. So as a UI/UX designer, why this is helpful for you? UI designers after completing their mobile screens, for their portfolio, Spline is very helpful because like this attractive designs. So just scroll, you will be having one of the remix button. Just click remix and wait for a couple of seconds. It will be shown here. Spline did not automatically pop up that page. You have to manually go to the pages and click on it. It's getting loaded. Let's wait. So control minus zoom out, control plus zoom in. Okay. So now we are having 2 screens. Here we'll be having the layer panel. Here we will be having our editing property panel. Okay. So first we'll edit for first iPhone. Go to screens. In this screens we'll be having some templates. So we have to insert our image. Click on the image, upload your mobile screen design. I just upload one of my screen. See, it's get mocked up. Same way, go to second iPhone mockup, go to screen, then choose your second image. Any image. See, the mockup is ready now. So now just I am going to play this. You are able to see how your designed screen looks, some animation and interactive. This is called creativity, right? So you can make this as an export and you can able to copy the embedded code and paste it in Behance. It will be helpful for your portfolio. So this is what Spline. So it's very helpful for the UI designers. Okay. So it will be getting loaded in 2 to 3 minutes. Just copy the code. It will be clicking to the keyboard. You will be having watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you have to upgrade it. Okay. So then just copy it. Now go to Behance and make it in embedded. So it will be make you attractive. Now let's go to Behance. Share your work and share your project. Here you will be having embedded. Just go here, paste your embedded code, make your height to 1000%, then embed. Just wait. The embedded came here. Just view a preview in your Behance how your portfolio will look like. See how it is. So this is how your portfolio will become ready, right? Now back to Spline. So like this, many designers have been published their own design. You can able to remix of anything. So you can able to do some product design. You can able to do some 3D mockups for liquid morphism, glass morphism, many types of animations with your dynamic mockup. Okay, besides you will be having 3D icons, path, abstract. So these and all called scenes. Okay, so these sections comes under screen. You having product, template, environmental, components, clone, character. If you want object, you will be having bottle, some of the product based things, box, cosmetics, emoji, cup, kitchen items. For interior design also it will be very helpful for to making the 3D models. So for UI designers, here they are able to do their VR design. You will be having some of the templates from community tutorial you can watch and you can able to do it on manual. That will be very helpful for your future purpose. Now just I'll show you how that hand works. I'm just going to remix of this one. I'm clicking on remix. It will be getting loaded and I have got to open it. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes, it will be loaded. Then you are able to see the phone, then drop down it, then you have to choose phone body, corpus, then place. In that position of place, you have to choose it. Now turn off the video, matte cap and lightning. Just enable the image because you are going to import an image. Now go to this plus thing, then it will be showing this untitled. So by clicking on this filter option, you can able to replace the screen. Just click and open your image and it will be uploaded. Then just close everything. See, how our screen get mocked up. Now just play it. See, wherever I am moving my cursor, the hand is rotating towards it. So we are able to do design like this by seeing the tutorials. So Spline is an interactive tool which is helpful for your portfolios. It will make your creativity level high. So this is what UI designers will be get helped by the Spline. So like this we are having some of the templates. You can reuse it in same file. You can able to do much more designs. You can able to extract and download it. So if you think there is some of the 3D models only available over here, if you want to extract from outside, so we having two sites which will be helpful for you. One is Sketchfab. Sketchfab is one of the free site, so you have to enable the downloadable option so that you can able to download the 3D models. Just search for it, anything dragon or something, you can search category all. So you will be having some of the downloadable 3D models. Just click on the model. You have to create an account for this. I have just logged in. Download in GLB format. The dragon will animate like this in your Spline tool. So GLB format will be supported in 3D software. So you can able to download that one and you can able to watch like this. Okay. So this is what Sketchfab will be helpful for you to do your creative designs. Okay. So this is what the Spline tool and will be helpful for the UI designers. Kindly go through all the tutorials and templates and community. It will be very helpful. In this tutorial, you have learned about how to navigate the Spline interface and 3D model, the workspace. The Spline will help your creativity. Thank you and see you in next class.